In this video we're going to show you how to change the cabin filter on a SEAT Ateca. First of all, you open the glove box. We'll try and do this one-handed. You then have to release that, which is just clipped in, so you just pull it forward and out. Then push the clip back, which will allow you to drop the glove box. And just try and get a view of that while I got two hands. And once you've got your glove box down, it's fairly easy to access. You have to release the tabs across, there's 3 of them. Take the cover out. Remove the old filter. This one is a little bit dirty, but I've seen a lot worse. You need to set your airflow in the same direction, so downwards in this one. Slide your new filter in, and then put your cover panel back in, which is a little bit fiddly to get in. But once you've got it sat in those 3 clips, the top, we'll just clip back in all 3. And then you just have to be careful when you're putting it back up. It pushes in and clips back in, and then you have to set that side clip back in, and that is finished. So it's a nice easy job, took a couple of minutes.